Good morning. It's day 3. We're in Zanesville, Ohio. Last night we were able to eat at a restaurant right on the river. It's called Terry's Tavern. A gentleman up the river told us about it. He said, "You gotta stop and eat there. That's a cheeseburger. It's a really good cheeseburger." So I told the boys about it. It was about 2 miles from where we were. I don't think I've ever seen them paddle faster. So we had a good cheeseburger, and the same gentleman told us, he said, we were looking for a spot to camp. He said, just stay at the lock keeper's house. No one's going to bother you there. So we're right in the middle of Zanesville, but this little island, this is the original lock keeper's house. This little island, you can get to it. You can walk across the lock, but it's not really a campsite. But we pitched right here on the ground. There's under the red lump, that's Danny. And under the far gray lump, that's Billy. Joey's already up, and that's where I slept last night. So we had awesome weather. There wasn't even much dew, so we just stayed here and didn't pitch a tent, didn't put up the hammocks or tarps or anything. Just slept out, and it worked out pretty good. But this is the lock. We're gonna try to wait until they come in to go through the lock. It's 7:30 in the morning. We have to wait till 9:30 though. Otherwise, the option is to carry our kayaks and canoe from the canal here over and down the hill to the river, which wouldn't be bad, but the boys want to go through the lock and I kind of want to go through the lock, so we'll see. We got up and made some coffee and get some breakfast here pretty soon and get packed up. By that time it might be close to 9 o'clock anyhow, if I can get these two up and going and let them get a little bit more rest. They're all tuckered out from being on the river. Good morning. Here we are, day 4. We are 55 miles into the trip, almost halfway. We're at Ropey Lock and Dam number 8. It's also the site of a Confederate advancement, a raid that came up through Ohio. General John Morgan led some troops up through here, and apparently they stole all the liquor from a tavern up on the hill and said, "Don't leave any liquor for the damn Yankees." But they were raiding the civilians. They were raiding their homes and their horses and food, so The civilians actually exchanged gunfire with them, and a Private McGee from the Confederate Army was killed, and they buried him in a hollow up the hill and carved his name in a stone. I guess that stone now is in the Morgan County Historical Society. So there's some neat history here at this lock.